How to fix Tradingview not working problem. So if you're facing a Tradingview not working problem, then open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'll be here with Chrome browser. Search for the Tradingview and make sure to go for the first search, which is www.tradingview.com, and make sure to log into your account. So once you're here, you need to go for the profile, which is here on the bottom right. Go for the profile and then go for the profile settings. And under your settings, you need to go for the about. If you have your application of TradingView, then you can simply go with the application. And you can go for the settings and you will have about section, right? So under your about, if you have an update, you can simply go and update your TradingView application. So if you have not updated your application, you might find some kind of problems. So for now, I'm opening in my browser, but if you have the application, simply go and update your application. And after doing that, you may have an option of clear cache. Under your settings, you may have a service option. Go for the service and clear your cache. But if you don't have that, go for the three dots, which is here in the upper right, and then clear your list. And once you tap on clear list, then your list will be cleared and your problem will be solved. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to go for the new tab and then you need to simply search for Cloudflare Grab. And once you've searched here, you will have the grab. You can simply open that and then you can connect to this Cloudflare. And once you've connected, you can open up your TradingView and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply restart your device. And once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix TradingView not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.